Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I calculated the gripping force for an ROV gripper that I've been working on recently. Before doing anything, make sure to load Solidworks Motion add-in. From the Assembly tab, click New Motion Study, and from the type of study, select Motion Analysis. Now you need to add a spring. Click on the spring icon. From the parameters, select the gripping faces that you want to calculate from. Once you do, you should see a visualization of the spring between the two faces you just selected. Now head to the spring K factor and set it to 0, and right below it set the spring length to your maximum opening. Scroll down to the damping configurations and check the box and make sure it's set to linear. Then comes the tricky part. If you type in a big value, eventually the simulation will end without fully closing your gripper. And if you choose a small value, it will end up very soon, leaving you with few points to plot later. I'm not going behind math to calculate it, you just try it a couple of times. In my case, I will set it to 5 newtons per unit velocity because I already know my sweet spot. And now hit OK. Since I need more resolution, I will drag the time bar and set it to 15 seconds. Again, and besides the spring icon, click on the force to add the actuator. Select the face, edge, or point of action and make sure it closes your gripper. Then put your value and hit OK. Finally, you have to set the contact between your end effectors. Click on the cam and follower icon, select end effectors and scroll down to the material. Click on the little gear to open the study properties. Scroll down and check Use Precise Contact box and hit OK. Now open Plots and Results menu. From Category select Forces and Subcategory select Reaction Force and select Magnitude. Then select the spring and hit OK. Open it once more to plot the gripper position. Select Displacement, Linear Displacement, then select 2 symmetric points on the end effectors. Scroll down and check Add to Existing Plot and select the one we just created. Hit OK and finally hit the Calculate button and wait until it's done. Now from the right bottom corner, scroll down for results. Right click on the plot and show it. As you can see, we have 2 different curves for the reaction force and the gripper opening. Right-click any point and export it as CSV. Now use Excel to trim the data and refine it and make your charts and figures. You can go back and change the actuator force and export it as many as you like. You see, I already did it 3 times. You just have to be good with Excel to plot it right. That's it for this video. Follow me for more videos like these. This was Adham. Thanks for watching.